The bread is my passion. I feel every community in the world could benefit from a small bakery like this, where you create community through that loaf of bread every day, and the loaf of bread tells a story about the place. Life is not a straight path. There's many directions we can take where we find passion, purpose, and something that makes us happy. But for me, it was really about serving community. What I wanted to do is now share how the public can help support the efforts here with the farmers, the millers, the bakers, this sort of concept that really includes them in a circular model. What I try to tell students is we're lifelong learners. How to be successful in life is really applying all the different things you learn into something that you really become excited about and want to pursue. Being a baker, you have a craft that's been shared with centuries. Reviving some of these old grains and having them grow in the desert, knowing that they're all unique and different, just like our people, probably the most meaningful thing in my life. Having a bread culture that represents the Sonoran Desert and telling that story through every loaf of bread. This is expression on the shelves when you see all these different shades of the Sonoran Desert. Tans, rusts, blondes, browns, thicker crust, thinner crust. All these things go into a simple loaf of bread, but for me, I live for it. Like artists on a palette, I get to combine these different colors and then build a bread. This is the work that brings us all in the grain chain. We have to grow it, we need to store it, mill it, make breads with it so we can continue to do all those things for another cycle next year. That fills Tucson, that fills Tempe, that fills Arizona. Food has been our vehicle to connect people and just to show appreciation for life. This is my legacy, to continue the cultural heritage, the culinary heritage of my family, but serving my community along the way.